Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see, it's pretty interesting because in the future maybe I'm going to go to Ital 2. So let's start. We format the background from here. We choose the color we want. Let's make it dark or some of the colors that are not going to irritate the eyes. It's good. Then these shapes, we need to clear them. The first one is here like this. Then you just simply paste the text in it and your shape is ready. And just like that, you create these 4 shapes. And after creating that, in one of them, you insert a picture from here and the picture is right. Then you rotate them a little in the way you want. Then copy that. Let's apply to all. In this slide, you select all of them by Ctrl A. And go to shape format and align them center and middle. Then set the transition to morph and let's take a look. Your slide is ready under a minute. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice